just wanted to provide an update of where we are at on the Grandview project as far as the wing is concerned. We've come a long way in framing, we've seeded the concrete, we've done a lot of preparation, but one of the main features of this project is this airplane wing. Not many people put airplane wings inside their house, and the difference in our install and maybe some others that use airplane wings is the function that we plan on using it for. That includes putting a fireplace inside of it, using the light that's on there as a functioning light, and it being a centerpiece for kitchen, dining room, and living room area. It'll house the fireplace directly inside of it. It'll be a pass-through fireplace with a cold roof. That fireplace will be visible to either side. See through it. We're going to make it cool. The biggest challenge is determining exactly where we want to cut it. The wing is very asymmetrical, many different angles, and so initially we're going to do a rough cut. You can see the video. The rough cut is to enable us to then hoist it up in place and then do a final cut after it's hoisted in place using a laser and adjustment. We're going to use a winch and pulley system to get it up there and 50-foot high ceiling. So it's going to be really great to get it in place so we can form and pour the monument base for it. So we need this wing hoisted up in place before we can pour that and determine exactly how high up that monument base needs to be. We've got really good fabricators on this cutting edge. And we also are doing tests on polish, see how that's going to look. Stay tuned for our next video, Chapter 2, Wing Install.